Welcome to ColdBrew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap for Thursday, February 12th, 2026. We'll cover market activity across indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Key indexes were all down. The S&P 500 index lost 107.92 points, closing at 6,833.54. Meanwhile, the Dow 30 index dropped 669.44 points, ending at 49,451.97. The Nasdaq Composite Index fell 469.32 points to 22,597.15. Market breadth shows declines dominating, notably with the Nasdaq Composite Index seeing 2,229 decliners and just 740 advancers. Similarly, the Russell 2000 Index had over triple the number of declines than advances. This demonstrates a broadly negative market sentiment. Total and daily returns display mixed results. Notably, the S&P 400 Midcap Index shows a strong month-to-date return of 2.76%. Conversely, the Nasdaq Composite Index has a monthly loss of 3.69%. Meanwhile, a strong yearly showing for the Russell 2000 Index with a 5.4% year-to-date return. Leading the day, the utilities and consumer defensive sectors closed up, with utilities gaining 1.5% and consumer defensive hitting a record high close. Both sectors demonstrate a very strong positive trend, indicating investor preference for defensive stocks. On the downside, the technology sector fell 2.6%, leading declines driven by a strong negative trend. Similarly, the energy sector closed down 2.1% and exhibited sideways movement for 3 days. This signals market caution within cyclical sectors. Globally, the Turkey iShares ETF and Thailand iShares ETF led gains, both recording new highs. Thailand achieved a new all-time high, up by 0.96%, while Turkey had a 1.6% increase. Both demonstrate very strong positive trends, highlighting robust growth in these markets. Looking at returns, the Thailand iShares ETF posted a significant week-to-date return of 6.46%, signaling strong investor confidence. Meanwhile, the Belgium iShares ETF recorded a notable year-to-date return of 12.55%, underscoring its sustained growth potential amid global equities. In technology stocks, Apple dropped significantly, closing at 261.73, down 13.77, marking a 4.9% decrease. It showed a mixed negative trend with a downward breakout after 3 days of flat prices. Meanwhile, Alphabet ended at 309.37, dipping 1.96 in a third consecutive day of declines, accompanied by some downward volatility. Amazon further extended its slide to 8 days, closing at 199.60, a drop of 4.48, facing a very strong negative trend with increased volatility. Meta Platform saw a decline to 649.81, losing 18.88, experiencing mixed negative trends and a 4-day breakout downward. Only NVIDIA held a strong positive trend amidst a decline, closing at 186.94, down 3.11, showing resilience despite the general tech downturn.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Bitcoin is currently at 65,566.12, down 1,458.81, marking a 2.1% decrease and continuing its slide for 4 days in a row. Similarly, Ethereum is down by 21.35, standing at 1,918.10. The downward momentum is persisting. Bitcoin has shown significant negative returns. Its week-to-date return fell by 6.71%, while the year-to-date is now down by 25.07%. Similarly, Ethereum is struggling with a month-to-date drop of 21.69%, and BNB follows with a sharp decline of 22.39%. The crypto market shows strong bearish trends.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The US dollar is currently up against the euro, trading at 0.8423, gaining a fraction of a cent. Despite a very strong negative trend, it's been flat for an extended period. Over in the British market, it's trading at 0.7342 against the British pound, with an upward breakout after being flat for days. Moving to Japan, the US dollar is down 0.4820 against the yen, continuing a strong negative trend for 4 consecutive days. Shifting to Switzerland, the US dollar has slipped slightly against the Swiss franc to 0.7692, maintaining a very strong negative trajectory. Lastly, against the Australian dollar, the greenback currently stands at 1.4101, demonstrating a slight gain after a period of flat movement.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. ColdBrew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 4 p.m. New York time for daily market reports with in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.